stitching a buttonhole, you need to make these changes to your settings. You stitch the length somewhere between 1 and 0. This little symbol here is your buttonhole symbol. You move your stitch width all the way out to 6. I know that sounds odd, but it works, believe me. And of course, you then choose your buttonhole stitch. This is your buttonhole foot. What you need to do is push up on this little lever, put your button in that you're actually stitching the buttonhole for, and then close that in, and that is what tells your machine how big to make the buttonhole. So taking your presser foot off, there's a little arm at the back here, you just push that, your presser foot just drops off. Take that out of the way. So to put your buttonhole foot on, you just line up the little metal bar in your buttonhole foot in the little slot that's there at the bottom of the presser foot clip. Snap. That's gone on. So we've selected our buttonhole stitch. We've put on our buttonhole foot. The last thing we need to do before we start to do the buttonhole is there's a little lever at the back here. You bring that down, and that starts to tell your machine that you're going to sew a buttonhole. But on this machine, you push it away from you, and then you start. And when the lever is hit by the arm, by the movement of the foot, it knows that it's got to come back down the other side now. And the thing you need to be careful with this machine is it will keep sewing if you don't stop. So keep an eye on your stitch, and when it gets to the bottom bar tack, which is the first stitch it did, when it started to make the buttonhole, you just need to make sure you stop at that point. Push the lever back up, bring the threads to one side, and there you have a perfect buttonhole. If when you've sewn your buttonhole you find that one side of the stitches looks more open than the other, you can adjust them on this with this dial on the side of the machine. I've never had to do it, but it's there if you need to, and you can see that on the minus they tighten up, and on the plus down they start to open up. My advice is, if you're going to adjust this dial, well, I hope you found that really useful. Like and subscribe for more. Try this video next.